Hey, what's up? Here with my partner Aaron. We finally got this thing probably 90%, 95% ready, 99. So we're gonna do a walk around video. I know a lot of people have asked. So 2013 F250 crew cab, long bed. We have an 18-inch stainless internal reel Hannay electric from Washmart and 12-inch carbon electric reels from Washmart Hannay. The wrap is by Creative Wraps in Spring, Texas. And all the reels are wired up to a marine fuse box right here, running 30 amp fuses, as you can see right there. And we've got our WashTech remote controller. Nice thing about this is it's got a soap controller on it as well. And the 3-way valve back here you can see will flush your entire system and add water to your system. Go ahead and hit it on. You've got the light right here. Nice thing about Ben is he saw how I had it mounted. He wants to send me another light to mount over here or up on my surface cleaner rack so we can see it better. But you got your water, your soap, your chem, your bypass. This goes outlet. Right here we got the Predator 670 running on an Udor 3820, which is a 10 gallon a minute, rated for 3,000 PSI. We're seeing about 2,400 PSI on 250 feet of hose. We got the IGX 800 on the same pump, the 3820 Udor gear drive. Let me see if I can get in there and see a little bit. But she's pushing about 2,600 PSI. See, we got the ladder in the back with the squeegee down below. On the side we got a 24-foot pole. We got our lances, we got our pump sprayers, we got our love our free branding from Home Depot and Lowe's. We got our 24-inch Aqua Pro in there. Love the handles that fold up. Our soap tank down there. We got our 22-gallon gas tank from Boyd Welding. We installed the manual gas gauge. We love that. Our vents are actually on the way. They sent the wrong size, so it's one of those things to check for. And we have our surface cleaner rack up there. That's a 96-inch by, actually 98-inch by 20-inch, and aluminum. Had that fabbed by a local shop. And our buyer's company. You can talk, man. You probably know more than anybody standing here. The man, the myth, the legend over here. This is our internal of the buyer's box. We got a fuse box right here. All of our wires are run to that from this side of the truck. So we've got our external lights on there. Control panel right here also gives you a voltage meter. It's got a USB slot over there, a 12-volt slot over there. Built in, we plugged up the battery charger, ran it to a slot right here. Then these are the lights that you saw. So we'll give a video of that at night when we run through it again. But we really like this box. We're gonna put some shelves in here. We've got some glove box holders to keep the gloves up high. And this is our oh shit kit that I've talked about. Our lint-free rags right there. It's got the double handles that locks. This is our SH fill valve up there. So we've got it tucked behind itself, but the way it works there is we have it going to both tanks. We got a ball valve, we got a quick connect. We just go over to Brandon, we hook up, we can switch tanks by changing that nozzle. This is the AR30. She's plumbed up. We're using the blue Kiriyama Tiger Flex hose, the PVC. We really like this stuff. It's more flexible than the normal stuff. We're using a 1/2-inch braided line over here for our quick on-off, because this thing has 2 valves. We really like it. This is the unloader. The bypass hose is tucked over behind the tanks. These are the Water Dragon Slimline tanks. You can see we got them daisy chained, and we got 2 55-gallon SH tanks. We got PEX hose running over to the reel, and we installed some running boards. We got a couple more things to put on her today. 200 feet of 3/8-inch hose, 200 feet of 3/8, 100 feet of 3/4-inch Flexilla, 200 feet of 1/2-inch Q-Spray 800 PSI hose. Got the 1/2-inch ball valve there. We use the red gun on this system. And then I posted about this yesterday. We've got the rear camera, because the tanks are blocked, you can see there's absolutely zero visibility. But with the rear camera, you can see Aaron walking back there. I apologize for the glare, but it's really nice. We installed a little stereo in here. You can see him walking around. It's awesome. It's also a recording camera on the front, so you can see the camera right there. It records any collisions, things like that. But here's another view of the lights, just little LED lights, more to come. We ordered some light bars. We didn't like how they mounted, so we're gonna change those. Just throw that back in the console. But really, really like it. The WashTech, Ben Wirt Jr. makes those. He'll customize them just about any way you want. I like this, got a soap valve on it. Really, really appreciate it. Up in the surface cleaner rack, we got a 19-inch Whisper Wash Extreme. That's the aluminum instead of the ABS. We're gonna re-tip that. We'll have all this stuff out here at the event tomorrow for everybody. We'll have it up and running. We're about to hook up water. So I hope everybody is having a good one. And as you can see, we got the original bad girl over here. And we'll have the trailer out here too with a budget build and an AR-45. And if everything goes to plan, we're gonna install a Duramax 440 on an 8-gallon a minute, and everybody can see that in person. And we've got gauges, because seeing is believing, and I wanna see. So hope you guys have a good one.